With Bosch, you think durability, you think power, right? And when it comes to power, nothing gets more powerful than this fella up here. Now this is a 150 Newton meter torque combi.
Wow.
Combi drill driver, right? The power on it is incredible. 150 Newton meters of torque, most powerful drill on the market, right? But with all that power, you need safety too, right? So with this, you see this here? Kickback control, okay? So that means when you're using it and then you snag, right?
Yeah.
And the drill goes mental, you want to save your wrist.
Yeah.
Finger on the trigger, ready?
Wow, and it shuts
Finger
off.
still on shuts straight off.
Wow.
That's a safety feature, right? Reason being, if you're up there at the top of the ladder, right, and you're drilling away, and then it snags, 150 Newton meters of torque,
Yeah.
that's either taking your arm off or bringing you with it, right? So it needs to cut out. Off it goes. Finger on the trigger, right? If you're doing a high draw, you know, application, and you don't want that, because that can get a bit annoying, you know, keep going, you can just turn that off. Drill all day then. If you're doing a large bit of hole sawing or something, and it keeps snagging, you can just turn that straight off, right? But then if you take the battery off, default is back to kickback.
Yeah.
Right, so it's a very smart bit of kit. See this little button here, little angle? Press that. You've got 45 degrees, 60 degrees, or little phone icon, right? And because this is a connected tool, you can get your toolbox app on your phone and you can set that up to it, and then you can set any angle between 0 and 90 degrees. On the machine itself, you've got 45 and 60. So just to show you what that does, if you set it to 45 degrees, that tool goes, the top of the light there, I'll do it again for you. The light at the top there goes yellow, yellow, green, and that means it's calibrated to the surface that you put it on, right? What will then happen is, because you've done 45 degrees, it will tell you when you're at 45 degrees.
Oh, wow. So you know he's going exactly in that angle where
Exactly.
you're drilling. Oh,
Exactly.
right, okay.
Unbelievably smart tool.
Yeah.
And they're getting smarter and smarter, these machines.
So is that the same tech that when it twists, it knows the angle, so then you can use that as the angle for the drilling?
Exactly.
Ah, right, amazing.
Exactly that. It's the exact same, it's an MEMS sensor, it's
Right.
called. And it's the same sensor that you got on your phone.
Oh,
that
yeah, yeah.
goes horizontal and vertical. Bosch invention.